Hello students, today we are going to learn how to create a maze game in Scratch. So for creating this game, suppose I want a sprite should go to school. So I will be needing a backdrop as a maze or a school as in sprite. If you want, you can paint your own sprite, or you can download the picture from the internet. In this program I have already downloaded the picture from internet. So this is your Scratch. Let us add a backdrop as a maze. So go to upload, and now I am selecting the picture maze and it is applied as a backdrop. Now again we will go to code area, and we are going to decrease the size of the sprite. Let it be 30, and then move it to the starting position. Now we are going to add another sprite called school. Again we are going to decrease its size, and then we are going to place it to the destination. Now let us begin our coding to sprite 1. First we need to set its position to the initial. Whenever we are going to click on flag, it should be at the initial position of the x and y coordinates are mentioned here, minus 177 and 161. So we will go to minus 177x and y will be 161. After that we are going to assign the values to different keys. There are different keys: left key, right key, up key and the down key. So we will be doing coding for them. First we will go for the right arrow key. If it is a right arrow key is pressed, then it should move towards the positive x, 10 steps towards the positive x. And in case if touches the maze, if suppose it is going to touch the black color of the maze, so we are going to select the color of the maze here. Then what should happen? It should not move ahead. So now we are going to change the value of x by minus 10. It is not going to move forward. In the similar way, we are going to do it for the left arrow key also. Except the coordinates will be changes. Now x will be minus 10. And in case it touches the black color, then the value will be positive 10. For up and down, if suppose the sprite is moving up and down, so y coordinates needs to be changed. Now instead of x, we are going to take y coordinates and then change the value. So let us do it for up arrow key. Changing the value of y by 10, it should move towards y positive 10. And again, if it touches the black color of the maze, it will go back. Same we are going to do it for down arrow key, only the coordinates will be changing. The value of y will be minus 10, and if it touches the color, it will be positive 10. Okay, now the coding is finished. Let us play this game. So we will do it full screen. And then we will move. Our sprite is not moving because of its size. It is again and again touching the black color. So let us decrease it more. If suppose your sprite is not moving, is not comfortable in moving across the maze, so you should decrease its size more. So let it be 20 now and start the game again. So now it needs to reach to school. So it has reached, but now I feel that after reaching to the school, a message should display. A message should display like, yay, you have reached the school, or yippee, your goal is achieved. In such a way, so we are going to make one more sprite that this particular message should be displayed moment it is going to reach to the school. So I am painting a new sprite. Yippee, you finished. We can also change the style of it, the color of it, whatever color or style we want of the text, we can apply it. And choose a color for it. Now we are going to place it at the bottom. And perform the coding on it. What I want that when I'm going to start this program, this message should come in the end. It should not come in the beginning, but it should come in the end when it is going to reach the school. So I am hiding it. When the flag is clicked, the sprite should get hidden. So let us choose the hide option. It is available under looks block. So when flag is clicked, hide. Now let us move to sprite 1 and let us display the message that if it reaches the school, it is going to touch the color, the starting point of the school, it should broadcast a message. When the sprite is going to reach the school, it is going to broadcast a message. So again, choose the color. And if it touches this particular color, it should broadcast a message. Now we will go to the sprite number 2, and here we are going to write if it receives this coding, if it receives this message from this sprite number 1, then it is going to show the message. It is going to show the sprite and stop all. Everything will be finished. Stop all. Let's play this game now. Sprite is going to school. In moment it is going to touch the image of the school, it is going to display the message.